Seriously, who knew someone so small could hiccup so loud? Here's the deal. Babies hiccup a lot, and it's nothing to stress about. Their little diaphragms, the muscle that helps them breathe, just love to practice, even outside the womb. Sometimes, swallowing air during feeding or just growing fast can trigger those adorable hic sounds. Good news? Hiccups don't bother your baby nearly as much as they bother you. They're not in pain, and it doesn't mean something's wrong. If your munchkin seems happy and is eating well, you're all good. But hey, if hiccups last for hours or if your baby seems upset or uncomfortable, check with your doctor just to be safe. Otherwise, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Because baby hiccups? Just another part of the parenthood adventure.